In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a virtual Visa with PayPal and what you can do if you want to move money between them. This is a common question, so let's keep it simple and beginner-friendly. First, let's talk about what you can do. You usually cannot transfer money directly from a virtual Visa into your PayPal balance like a bank transfer, but you can link the card to PayPal and use it for purchases, or use a workaround to move funds indirectly. Step 1. Link your virtual Visa to PayPal. Open PayPal and go to the Wallet section. Click Link a Card. Enter your virtual card number, expiry date, and CVV. PayPal may ask to verify the card with a small temporary charge. Once the card is linked, you can use it for PayPal payments just like a normal debit card. How to use the virtual Visa with PayPal. Instead of transferring money, you simply select your virtual Visa when paying with PayPal at checkout. That way, the payment comes from your virtual card. Workarounds to move money. Indirect methods. If you really need money in your PayPal balance, here are a few options. Option 1. Invoice yourself. Create a PayPal invoice to your own second email. Pay that invoice using your virtual Visa. The money will show up in your main PayPal account. Fees may apply. Option 2. Send money to a trusted friend using your virtual Visa. Ask them to send the money back to your PayPal balance. This method may also include fees, so use it carefully. Important tips. Make sure your virtual Visa has enough balance, otherwise the transaction will fail. Some virtual cards charge a small fee, 1 to 3% for payments. Not all virtual prepaid cards work with PayPal. If one doesn't work, try a different card issuer. And that's how you can use a virtual Visa with PayPal and move funds indirectly. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.